Alrighty, Francis Bacon. Okay, Francis Bacon is the father of empiricism. Empiricism is something that you want to know. This is simply the belief that knowledge is based upon experiences. So you gain information by experiencing something going on. Now, this is going to be looked at primarily within science. Okay, so you want to see maybe how does paper respond to a flame? You can learn this not necessarily by just guessing what might happen, but you can actually test it and experience what happens when you put flame to a paper. You get to experience what's going on. Now, this is also going to be used when it comes to philosophy as well. I mean, kind of understand how people interact and the way they interact based upon their experience, okay? If you have been in a very bad car accident where the driver was driving very fast, that's going to influence your experience the next time that you are in a vehicle that is traveling very, very fast as well. You're probably going to act a little skittish. You're going to have some knowledge of what might happen compared to someone who's never been in that circumstance before. Additionally, Francis Bacon is credited with the creation of the scientific method. So those of you that take any science classes that understand what the scientific method is simply this thing right here that you can see on the screen in front of you. First and foremost, you are going to ask a question. What will happen if you bully a plant, okay, compared to not bullying a plant? You're going to do some research, kind of find some background information on the topic, understand what's going on, what's already out there, and what additional information you might need to know. You're going to form a hypothesis, okay? For an example, I hypothesize that if you bully a plant, tell it a bunch of mean things, that it's not going to grow very effectively. I'm going to test this with an experiment. Now I'm going to take a plant and I'm going to bully it constantly, okay, with a voice recording. I'm going to take another plant and I'm going to not really do anything. I'm going to analyze my results to see, did that plant was it affected negatively by the bullying? If my hypothesis is true, I need to report my results. Okay, if my hypothesis is false, I need to go back and look at my hypothesis again and think maybe why is this happening? What other factors might be going in there? Try to figure out what those factors might be, test my hypothesis until my hypothesis is true, then report your results. That is all for now. If you got any questions, comment down below. Otherwise, have a great day.